Sometimes as a parent, you just want to slow life down, sit down, grab a book, and spend time with your kids. So I want to present to you some awesome ways to do that. I love our picture books. This is On a Pirate Ship. It's gorgeous illustrations. I cannot keep this one stocked. The illustrations are gorgeous and the story is hilarious. It's only $9.99, which I think is another reason why I can't keep it stocked. That's similarly made is On the Moon, and if you have a child who's really excited about space, they'll love a story about space. And it's integrated with actual real pictures of the moon, which is really inspirational, and then also some the child can really visualize themselves in these pictures. So I love that it ends with a question so that you can start a conversation with your kid. If you're looking to introduce rhythm and rhyme to your child, I'm a Hungry Dinosaur and I'm a Dirty Dinosaur are your picks. They have sturdy pages and there's not too many words per page, but you can hear the rhythm. Make another cake. Mix, mix, beat, beat, make another cake. This is sturdy enough that you can actually probably take it into the kitchen with you while you have fun. Molly's School of Manners. We have not had a book like this in forever. I'm so excited. It was just released. They travel through the city and practice their manners in a lot of different situations. So your child will have some experience with practicing manners and learning some manners. I'll give you an excerpt. At last the school nurse reached Algernon in earnest. There's no use hiding, she said. Come out and say sorry. This is my prescription for a proper apology. Admit you did something wrong. Say it with meaning. No silly voices. Don't forget to use the words, I am sorry. And if someone says sorry to you properly, try to listen and accept the apology. Signed, the school nurse. A lot of stories contained in it. The Usborne Book of Fairy Tales and the Usborne Book of Princess Stories will help you out with that. There's some bonuses in here though I want to point out. The first being, of course, that there are 6 different stories in this book and it's only $13.99. And the other 2 bonuses are that it's a dual reader, which means it's been designed to have the easier words on top and the more difficult words on the bottom, which means your child can track their learning as they're reading more. And last bonus, there's a duck on every page. This picture book is one of the most beautiful ones I've seen because it's so unique. I can't remember the last time a picture book was made specifically to illustrate the heroism of our military forces. I like this book in particular because it shows the mom at home and at work. We also have My Daddy is a Hero, which is a fantastic also illustration of the sacrifices of our military. Or not all. You've heard about Nibbles the book monster. He loves to nibble his way through a lot of fairy tales, even creating holes in the pages. Now we have Nibbles the Dinosaur Guide, and this is great for dinosaur lovers because it has the storyline of Nibbles, but it also has a ton of facts that your dinosaur lover can absorb. Unique picture book experience ever, you need Ludwig the Space Dog. Ludwig is trying to escape and he needs to find his way out of the book. You can see he has to call on his friends for help and he's going to use the reader as well to enjoy this experience. It comes with 3D glasses. Cool. Ludwig the Sea Dog. To your kids for a while, they're ready for something different, but you still want a picture book to read aloud with them. May I recommend Horses and Ponies and Illustrated Stories from Shakespeare. Horses and Ponies are an amazing compilation of about 15 different stories of horses, and the beautiful illustrations will keep you going. I'll show you how much words are inside and why it's a great read aloud. Some of these stories I had not heard of before, and I really do enjoy them. I hope this helped you get stocked up for read alouds with your kids. I hope you have a lovely evening.